proving that the Grizzly could be more. With my original WR700 build, I wanted to see if the newest generation Grizzly still had something underneath its utility exterior, something hidden within. Corner-to-corner precision, mid-range aggressive power, and handling that you'd never imagine possible have all come to be. I've never ridden a Yamaha four-wheel drive ATV this fast, never felt this confident or this precise. The only thing I could say it feels like is a Raptor with four-wheel drive. Yamaha has resisted going after the Scramblers and the Renegades. They've never put the Grizzly up as more than a mid-powered sport utility ATV. It's the Grizzly you see at the zoo, held back, tame. They've never asked it to push harder or be more, and I can say with confidence that they need to. With the help of my build partners on the WR700, I know there's an angrier, more confident, wild Grizzly under the refined exterior, and it's just waiting to be unleashed. This is the 2024 WR700 Grizzly. The industry says a 700cc single isn't big enough for a sporty four-wheel drive rocket. I say they're wrong.